Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will tell you about a very awesome feature of PowerPoint, that is custom animation. We can also make an animation clip using custom animation. So without wasting time, let's start. Firstly, open PowerPoint and select a picture in which you want to add animation. So I will select a picture from my computer. I will go to picture option and select the picture of my logo. Now to add animation to this picture, I have to go to animation tab. In the animation tab, we will see a custom animation option. You have to click custom animation, and here we have to click on add effect option. In add effect, we will see 4 effects: entrance, emphasis, exit and motion path. Firstly, we have to select entrance effect for our picture. I'll go to entrance, and there are so many entrance effects. I will select crawl in. You can select any effect here. I will select crawl in. After selecting entrance effect, we have to go to emphasis, the second effect. In emphasis, I will choose spin. You can choose any emphasis effect. Okay, so we can see our entrance effect and emphasis effect in our animation clip here. Okay, now we have to go to exit option, and in the exit option I'll select box. You can select any effect here. Now all the clips are added to our animation clip. We can see that entrance, emphasis and exit are added to our animation clip. So now we can play it. We have to click play button. Okay, now we can see the entrance, emphasis and exit of our object. It is very easy and simple. Before going to next topic, I will tell you that we can also change the speed of any effect in our animation clip. For example, if we want to change the speed of our exit, we have to click it, and in the speed option we have to change it. In the speed option, we will see that the speed is very fast. We can change it to very slow. Now you see that the exit becomes very slow. Okay, when we play it, it will show the entrance, emphasis and the exit. So you see that exit is very slow. Okay, you see the exit is becomes very slow. So these are the entrance, emphasis and exit effects that we use in custom animation. Now I will tell you about motion paths. Motion paths are the best effect of custom animation. So firstly, I will take a picture of a car from clip art. I will go to clip art and search for car. Now I will take a car, and then I will place it to the left side of the screen. I will place it to the left side of the screen. Now if I want to drive this car, how can I drive it? We can drive it using motion paths very easily. Let's see. Now I will go to motion path, and in the motion path I will select draw custom path and then select line option, and then I will draw a line from the corner of the car to the corner of the sheet. When I draw it, I see that the car is driving. We can also add another car in this animation clip. I will go to clip art and then select another car. I will select this car. Now I again go to motion path. Firstly, I will place it in the right side, and then I go to motion path and then select the same option, and then draw a line from the corner of the car to the corner of sheet. Then when I play it, I will see that my first car is driving and my second car is also driving. It is very easy and simple. I hope guys you enjoyed my video. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Goodbye and see you later.